Welcome to this guided meditation for positive energy. For the absolute best results, repeat this meditation daily for the next 30 days. Let's start by coming into a comfortable seated position where you won't be disturbed. Now, close your eyes. Take this moment to feel your whole body and the space it's in, from the top of your head, all the way down your spine, to your sit bones and the soles of your feet. Please now take a deep breath in through the nose. Hold the breath. Now exhale fully out through your mouth. Take another deep breath in. Hold the breath. And exhale fully, mentally letting go of anything that is no longer serving you. Last one. Inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale completely. Allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm and just start to observe the natural rise and fall of your abdomen as you inhale and exhale. Now, take both hands to the space at the center of your chest where your heart is located and repeat the mantra after me. I am enough. Whatever is going on in your life right now, wherever you're at, take this moment to just be with whatever thoughts, feelings, and sensations arise without any judgment. Please repeat the mantra, I am enough. Now take your awareness to the top of your head and then extend that awareness up above you and start to visualize a light or energy source above your head. This might be a golden or white light, or even a liquid light coming down from above and into your head. Visualize this light coming into your head, your neck and shoulders. Allow the light to come down into both arms, hands and your whole torso. Feel the light coming down to your hips, flowing down your legs and into your feet. Become aware of your whole body as a source of light and begin to awaken the sensation of lightness throughout your body. Repeat the mantra, I am enough. Now connecting to all the parts of your body touching the ground beneath you, your sit bones and perhaps the soles of your feet. Visualize roots connecting and grounding you to the earth. Send your awareness all the way down through the center of the earth now, and start to visualize another light source. Allow this light from the center of the earth to flow all the way up into the soles of your feet, your legs, and your hips. Allow this grounding light to flow into your torso, your hands and arms. Let this light now flow into your shoulders, your neck, and your whole head. Feel your whole body as a source of radiant glowing light. And now extend this light around you to form a protective aura surrounding your whole body like a cocoon of protective glowing light. Repeat the mantra, I am enough. If there's anything right now that's not serving you, visualize whatever is leaving your body as a gray smoke. Allow the protective aura of light surrounding you to transform this gray energy back into brilliant glowing light. See everything as being in a constant state of flow and change. Now allow yourself to sit in your cocoon of light without judging yourself. Allow yourself to be with whatever arises. Repeat the mantra, I am enough. Become aware again of the natural rise and fall of your body as you inhale and exhale. Feel your whole physical body and the space it's in, from the top of your head to your sit bones and soles of your feet. If you're ever feeling depleted of energy in the future, or you're sensing negative energy from others, visualize this glowing aura or cocoon of light surrounding and protecting you. Gently start to bring subtle movement back into your body, and when you're ready, open your eyes. This guided meditation for positive energy is now complete.